Put your hands together for Busisiwe.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Busisiwe Mahlangu. I am a poet and I'll be doing some poetry. This poem is titled I Wear Mother's Bones. My mother's mother has done the suffering for my mother. My mother has done the suffering for me. This is how I inherit a scar. I wear mother's bones. I fit mama's clothes when she goes to work. I fit into the dances she had in them, into the panic of walking the streets at night, into the making of a home that would not hold. Her favorite skirt is striped black and white, with the lines pointing to her feet like a whisper, saying she must run. Her favorite blouse is blue. She was beautiful in it, before it became a mouth, swallowing her ugly along with her light. This one outfit, excused from scraping the floors and raising white children, saved for Sunday's gospel and prayers begging God for an answer. To look like mama is to look like sacrifice. Only a corner in the room, while Baba fills the whole house with himself. The mirror says, I am drowning in a skirt. I twirl in amazement. But mama's life is so beautiful I can die in it. If death could tell me what made her laugh, made her happy with less, made her stay when she could run, what made her wear a blouse to watch herself drown. I want to tweak the sides with a needle and thread, but she will know that I wear her life when she goes. Thank you. I'm gonna do my last poem. It's titled Worship. My body holds a song. Stand still while the waves rise and fall in places locked away. The music is a call for freedom, an anthem inside throats with half prayers. In my body, there are cities that have stopped waiting for a hymn and started burning their temples. Made holy a body of ashes, made fire a circle of fate. Now bricks float in the air like dust. I play the song with my fingers. The labia, a plain instrument. The clitoris, a string. I know how to move dead cities. There is magic in my body that loneliness cannot empty out. Do not touch me like you're digging a girl out of a grave. I've saved myself through orgasms, over the gospel and the preaching. Pleasure is holy. Do not waste it on your ego. I deserve a God who will not call this worship a sin, who will not call my hands inside my jar stealing. I am not waiting for a husband. I am waiting for a chord that will strike my spine to dance. This is how I pray and sing worship. This is how I return to my body. There are abundant places in me that only I can rescue. God, I will call your name when I come. Thank you. This is how you return to yourself. This is the sound. This is the blast. Take this silence no one hears. This is how you return to yourself. This is your reflection on the glass. These are parts that broke but are still here. This is the collapse and the rebuilding. This is a tasteless resurrection. This is how you return to yourself. This is how you make a home for your body. This is how you fit into happiness. This is the gap for your escape. This is you being carried by wind. This is how you hold your lungs to the air. This is how you breathe through every wound. This is you here. This is you breathing. This is you healing. This is how your soul tells you you are doing well. You are doing well. Yeah, my name is Busisiwe Mahlangu, and I'm with Jayson, Tsebe. We are coming from the Poet Laureate Hub, and I'm so excited to be sharing poetry and music with you guys. The pages are missing inside my grandmother, torn and wet, memory washed away. There are stories she keeps on her fingertips, tucking them in under her nails each night. Her name falls off her tongue when she speaks, another page snatched out of her book. Her back is a spine curling into a rainbow. The only reminder she has that the freedom promised came, although it forgot all the black people. My grandmother forgot. She's a book without language. She is history cleaned off the floors. She holds an empty page. Her life is a blank on a sheet. Is a pause. Is the quiet between the wind. Her husband reminds her of their wedding day, playing the moment back with a song. She remembers the bells and the ginger beer, but not his name, not his face. She only knows his voice. It belongs to a man who once touched her bones and moved to their breaking. So we fill the space with the past. We condense 70 years inside a four-roomed house. We are holding grandmother's face close to her eyes. We watch her turn from paper to tree. And all that she lost is just leaves, and this is autumn. Have you ever seen an empty library breathe, moving the air around it to survive? Have you ever seen a book that can't be read, a line you cannot color into? Have you ever seen dementia in a body? Ever lived a life you cannot point at? Between the shelves in the library, I hold the books that know the place my grandmother sunk into. Every line I read is a language she lost, and the language lost is replaced with terms and symptoms that bend better in English. Alzheimer's is writing a new book with her body without her voice. We are holding the air like that. She is holding the air like that. Like one day her body will disappear like her mind did. She is moving her hands like this, fishing out the confusion in the air. She's enveloping her words in steel, engraving herself somewhere. Grandmother, watching pages of her diary float off her body. Grandma, there is still a book that has your name clear on the cover. I am the book that will never forget you. I will never forget you.
One, two, one, two. Mic check. Okay.
Love songs and love poems, huh?
I've been washing my hands in forever. I know there is gold in these waters, but I can't bring myself to swim when I am drowning in this island. Baby, let me in. Go easy on me. I was still a child, I didn't get the chance to feel the world around. I had no time to choose what I had to do, so go easy. Yeah, na 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 na.
When I realized I was writing too many sad poems about a boy, I thought maybe I could Adele my way out of heartbreak and make the pieces sing. Say, the boy who broke my heart broke it, but look at the song I pulled out of the cracks. It's a melody, hiding secrets of healing. It answers questions Google will not dare understand. Because love is as complex as being human. So here, in the music, you will know how to get over your ex in a week, how to let go or get them to love you again, how to deal with watching your ex give your love, his new lover, everything you had to beg him for. Maybe now I can glorify the pain and sing every heartbreak song with conviction. I can star in my own sad girl movie and stare out of the window of a moving taxi, Adele playing in the background, while I cry in the back seat, hoping that the boy chases the car through traffic, catches up, and finally here's a lover who's not running away from me. Someone like you, except this vision is better, and he never has to know that I look for you on his face. I wonder if you've ruined love for me. Will I ever enjoy kissing someone's lips? Or will my love for you keep spilling in everything I write? Can't you be the ghost that you wanted to be and stay gone? Because you're confusing me with all these sights you drop only to break me again. I've written so many poems about you. I can build a book with just your name.
Still a child, I didn't get the chance to feel the world around. I had no time to choose what I had to do. So go easy. Go easy on me. Won't you go easy on my heart? I hope you guys are still feeling good. Are you guys good? It's a beautiful day, guys. It's been day after day after day of cloudy weather, you know? The one time there's actually a thing to do outside with the garden and everything, the sun comes out to join us, so I'm grateful, you know?
My body holds a song. Stand still while the waves rise and fall in places locked away. The music is a call for freedom, an anthem inside throats with half prayers. In my body, there are cities that have stopped waiting for a hymn and started burning their temples, made holy a body of ashes, made fire a circle of fate. Now bricks float in the air like dust. I play the song with my fingers, the labia, a plain instrument, the clitoris, a string. I know how to move dead cities. There is magic in my body that loneliness cannot empty out. Do not touch me like you're digging a girl out of a grave. I've saved myself through orgasms, over the gospel and the preaching. Pleasure is holy. Do not waste it on your ego. I deserve a God who will not call this worship a sin, who will not call my hands inside my jar stealing. I am not waiting for a husband. I am waiting for a chord that will strike my spine to dance. This is how I pray and sing worship. This is how I return to myself. There are abundant places in me that only I can rescue. God, I will call your name when I come.
Hey, yeah. through myself. See, I worship and I'll call your name. I worship, I worship, I worship. This is how I write songs. But I'm gonna do it with a poem that's not mine. So I write a poem first with what I want to say, what I intend to say, what I intend to put out as Jayson saying something. And then I put melody to it to sort of stay true to my emotions, how I feel. So the words don't necessarily always go with the emotion, but the music does. So in this case, it would go. Bear with me. I know how to move cities, and I know there's magic in my body, and I know that loneliness cannot be emptied out. I know. Am I okay? So please don't touch me like you're digging a girl out of a grave. I have saved myself through orgasm and orgasm over the preaching gospel. Pleasure is holy as. Of course, I'd make it rhyme here and there, but you know what I mean, right? I hope you guys are still feeling good. My name is Jayson with the National Poet Laureate Hub, and I'm grateful for you guys' attention. Thank you for listening. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna do one last song. Special request from my fellow performer here. I think she really likes it.
Thank you so much for listening. Enjoy Jayson as he gives you one more song.
So this is a song titled Stay Here With Me. I wrote it while I was in love. It was nice times. You know, I was ready to move in with my girlfriend, guys. Like, and I'm pretty young. Like, don't let the bass fool you, you know, like, I'm a kid. But I was really ready to move in with my girl. I was like, you know what, stay here with me, baby, let's go. It's me and you, right? So I wrote the song. I'll tell you how it went after you hear the song. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, so out of tune. La, na, 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 na. Guys, excuse me while I tune my guitar. I can't play while it's like this. Throw a freestyle onto this. Normally you guys don't ever get to see that happen because, yeah, there's electricity. Here we go. Stay here with me, love. After we spent the weekend together, couldn't help but feel like I never wanted to be alone anymore. So I closed that door, cause I'm not letting you go. When I'm with you I can feel when the sunshine is dancing on my skin. Put your fingers on my chin. Where do I begin to tell you how you are the reason for my regret? Though some of it is not clear, my dear, I think we'll cross that bridge when we get there. It's you and me, no doubt and no fear. I want you to stay here. I don't know, I just want you near. When I have you by my side, I feel happier. I would cry an ocean of tears if I couldn't see her. Why don't you just stay? Won't you come and stay with me, baby? You should come and stay with me, baby. Won't you come and stay with me, baby? Stay here with me. Won't you come and stay with me, baby? You should come and stay with me, baby. Won't you come and stay with me, baby? Stay here with me. Won't you come and stay and stay? Please don't go away, away, away. Won't you come and stay with me, baby? Stay here with me. Won't you come and stay and stay? Please don't go away, away, away. Won't you come and stay with me, baby? Stay here with me. There's no more lonely days, cause now there's joy when my sorrow stays, yeah. There's no need to delay, that's why I hope and pray you come and stay with me, yeah. So tell me it's okay, say that you found a friend in me. Oh, por favor, baby, s'il vous plaît, why won't you stay? Won't you come and stay with me, baby? You should come and stay with me, baby. Won't you come and stay with me, baby? Stay here with me. Won't you come and stay with me, baby? You should come and stay with me, baby. Won't you come and stay with me, baby? Stay here. Won't you come and stay and stay? Please don't go away, away, away. Please just come and stay with me, baby. Stay here, stay here. Won't you come and stay and stay? Busisiwe, won't you come and stay with me? Yeah. Yeah, won't you come and stay? Come and stay, come and stay, stay here. Yeah. Thank you guys so much.
haven't moved in days now, and the waters are rising, but I've started writing these stories one pebble at a time. This is how giants learn to drown. Children of the stars, you've carved your names into meteorites once. Your skeletons made of black granite, caves within your mouth. This is where we come back to pray. I live in the right nostril of a sinking god. I tickle their breath when I laugh. I go searching for their scalp. I have heard this is where ancient hieroglyphs have been carved. Not unlike you, I too misplaced